Welcome everyone. Today we'll start the second video of fundamentals of partnership. Today we'll solve one sum of this chapter. And showing the sum to you, please take a screenshot. Okay, please read the question. A and B entered into partnership with a capital of rupees 1,20,000 and 40,000. So what is the capital of A? 1,20,000. And what is the capital of B? 40,000. So what is the next thing given? The net profit earned during the year. So what is the net profit? Net profit is 48,000. And let's move on to adjustments. What the partnership did says A is entitled to salary of rupees 12,000. So salary is given of A. How much? 12,000. What more is given? Interest on capital is provided at the rate of 10%. So interest on the capital will be given at the rate of 10%. Okay. The next, partners drawing. So partners drawing is given 6,000 and 4,000. So one thing to remember that in appropriation account we will show only interest on drawing. We will not show the drawing. Drawing will be shown on the capital account. So we will write only interest on drawing in appropriation account. So what is the interest on drawing given? Interest on drawing. A 600, B 400. So let's start. So what is the format of PL appropriation account? So PL appropriation account. This is debit. This is credit. Okay. Now, as we have discussed in the previous video, that it is a nominal account and it is maintained in the books of firm. So we write in the books of firm. In the books of firm. So it is a nominal account. Since nominal account, expenses of the firm will be debit, incomes of the firm will be credit. Okay, one by one we put the items in the PL appropriation account. So first we put net profit. Net profit is income, so it will come on credit side. We write by net profit. How much is the amount? 48,000. I think it's clear to everyone. Okay, now let's see what's given. Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing comes on the credit side of the PL appropriation account, since firm will take interest from the partner, so it is income for the firm. So we will write by interest on drawing. A, B. What is the interest given? 600, 400. 600, 400. So what is the amount? 1,000. Okay, done. Now credit side is done. And let's come to debit side. First we put interest on capital. This is the expense for the firm because it is given to the partners. To interest on capital. A, B. So 10% of 120,000 is 12,000. 10% of 40,000 is 4,000. Become 16,000. Add and put in the outer column. So next one will come salary. Salary of A. So salary will come to debit side because it's expense of the firm. To salary A. 12,000 per annum. Per annum means full year. And next one, I think this much only. So let's balance the account. And it is left out? No commission. Okay. Now I think this credit side is bigger. So we total it will come 49,000. 49,000. Now since this amount is bigger, so balancing figure will come this side. We call that balancing figure as residual of profit, and it will be shared among the partners. So 49,000 minus 16,000 minus 12,000. What is the total? 16,000 plus 12,000. 28,000. 28,000 minus 49,000. I think it's 21,000. Yeah, it's right. 21,000. Now this 21,000 will be distributed among the partners in the agreed ratio. Since in this question no ratio is given, please remember when in question the ratio is not given, we take the ratio equal. So it will be divided among the partners equally. You write to profit transferred to A capital account to B's capital account. So what is the half of 21,000? 10,500 each. Okay, this is the total. So this way, appropriation account, P&L appropriation account is done. So now let's move on to capital accounts of the partners. Okay, now we'll start the partners capital account. So whatever the items by which the capital account is increased, which record in the credit side, and by which the capital accounts of the partners is decreased, the loss of the partner will show on the debit side. So okay, let's start the capital account. So now first we start with the opening balances. Opening balances is the amount brought in by the capital brought in by the partners. First we write by balance B. How much? 1,20,000 and 40,000. Next, we record drawings. So here we have recorded interest on drawing. Now here we record drawing as well as interest on drawing. So first we record drawing. What was the drawing item given? 6,000 and 4,000. So we'll write two drawings, 6,000 and 4,000. Okay. So now we'll record the items here which increase the capital. So what are the items which increase the capital? By which the capital increase? First one is interest on capital. By which the capitals are increased. And salary means in a simple language, if I say, if the partner's benefit will come on credit side and partner's loss will come on the debit side. So salary is a benefit, interest on capital is a benefit, profit is a benefit. So it will come on the credit side of the partner's capital accounts. One by one we record. Okay, by interest on capital. First one was 12,000 and next one was 4,000. This will write in respective accounts of the partners. So A like A share, B like B share. Okay, next one we record by salaries. 12,000 of A. B will not get any salary. Not recorded here. It's not mentioned here. Means B will not get any salary. You will get salary. Next one is profit. By share of profit. So what was the share of profit? Both 10,500, 10,500. And now we'll come to the debit side. Debit side is interest on drawing. So partner has to pay drawing from their pocket. So it is a loss for them. So capital will decrease. We'll write to interest on drawing 600, 400. Now everything is recorded. Now let's balance the capital account. So this side will be bigger. I think credit side will be bigger. Okay. Now total is 40,000. Plus 44,000 plus 10, 54,500. So 54,500. Next one, 1,20,000. 12,000 plus 12,000, 24,000. 24,000 plus 1,20,000. 1,44,000 plus 10,000. 10,000, 1,54,000. Okay, 1,54,500. Okay, next we'll write both sides. 1,54,500 and 54,500. Now we will deduct this with these two amounts. So 54,500 minus 4,000 minus 400 become 50,100. Next 154,500 minus 6,000 minus 600 become 147,900. 1,47,900. We will write just here two balance CD. Here opening balance BD. Here closing balance CD. Now this closing balance will become opening balance on the credit side. By balance BD. First one was 1,47,900. Second one was 50,100. So this will be prepared for the loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe. Lastly, I want to say you that this video I have brought on the behalf of Boone English School. So watch the videos carefully.